In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Ads in GoHighLevel. Before we begin, make sure you're working inside the correct GoHighLevel sub-account and that you have access to a Google Ads account you can log into. It also helps to temporarily allow pop-ups in your browser, since Google may open an authorization window during the connection process. Start by opening your GoHighLevel sub-account dashboard. This is the workspace where you'll manage pipelines, campaigns, and reporting for a single brand or client. From here, head to the Settings area. You'll usually find it via the gear icon on the left-hand sidebar. Settings is where all the key connections live, so it's the right place to link marketing platforms. Inside Settings, look for the Integration section. This is a catalog of native connections available to your sub-account. Use the search field at the top to type in Google Ads. You're looking for the official Google Ads integration provided within GoHighLevel, which will handle authentication and data syncing for you. When you see Google Ads listed, click Manage to open its details screen. This page outlines what the integration will do once installed, typically things like pulling performance data, enabling conversion tracking, and supporting attribution inside your reporting. When you're ready, click Install to add the integration to your sub-account. A prompt will ask you to confirm permissions. Click Allow and Install. Granting these permissions lets GoHighLevel securely communicate with your Google Ads account, so your campaigns and conversions can be tracked in one place. After the install completes, choose Connect Google Ads. This will redirect you to Google's sign-in flow. Log in with the Google account that owns or has access to the correct Google Ads account. If you manage multiple accounts, select the one you want tied to this sub-account. Approve the requested scopes so data can flow both ways. If a window doesn't appear, check your pop-up blocker and try again. Once you're signed in and authorized, you'll be brought back to GoHighLevel. You should see a confirmation that your Google Ads account is connected. From here, your sub-account can start reading campaign metrics and, if configured, attribute leads and conversions to your ads. If something doesn't connect on the first try, refresh the page, verify that you're in the right sub-account, and ensure you're logged into the correct Google profile before repeating the connect step. That's it. Your Google Ads integration is now set up in GoHighLevel. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.